Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Ocho Rios and we are going to take a look at the new Fesco gas station that recently opened on the Ocho Rios bypass. So this is the Ocho Rios bypass that we are on, and coming up on the right you're going to see the Ocean View Mall. This mall, it's not opened yet, but it's a massive structure, 80,000 square feet. And it's also on the Ocho Rios bypass. So with all the activity, there is the mall there on the right, and then the Fesco is on the left. All the tenants, all the activity going on that's going to be happening over at this mall, then you know the Fesco gas station right across the road is going to do very well. And the structure on the right, the Ocean View Mall, it's also going to have residential apartments. In phase 1 is the mall, phase 2 and 3 is the apartments. So here is the Fesco gas station now. So in addition to the persons that use the Ocho Rios bypass, you're going to have a lot of traffic from the mall and also the residential apartments. So this gas station is ideally located in Ocho Rios. Here you can see it's a large gas station, but not the largest Fesco in Jamaica, not the largest gas station. Okay, so in addition to the gas station, they are building a plaza beside the gas station, similar to what the Boot gas station in Draxall. It also has a plaza attached to it. And further down this road, there is another gas station. I think it's a Total. It also has a plaza attached to it. So this seems to be the new trend. And then here you can see you have a spot where you can look out at the ocean, because this is Ocho Rios and it's right by the sea. So this is the back of the gas station. Now here you can see lots of parking space. And then they have underground parking for the mall. So this is the entrance to the underground parking. And there you can get a view of what you can see when you look out. It's a construction site, so we're not going down there because the plaza is still under construction. So this gas station also has a convenience store, very nice convenience store, and it has a lot of parking. It's well laid out. There is a nice view of the mall. So the gas station is up and running, it's open, the convenience store is open, so it's just the mall that's under construction here. And we'll keep you guys updated on the progress of the mall. It seems fairly large, it's 2 stories, but nothing compared to what's across the road. But this gas station is nicely laid out, a lot of space around it. It's not congested at all. So we'll try and give you guys update videos every 2 weeks on this mall or this plaza that's under construction. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour of the gas station. This is the new Fesco gas station in Ocho Rios. And that's the plaza, I'm not sure if it's going to be the Fesco Plaza, I'm not sure what the name is going to be, but this is the plaza that's on the same property with the gas station. Alright, so we're going to go back around to the front now so you can see the pumps, the front of the gas station. Alright guys, so enjoy the tour of this Fesco, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video.